But I am going to be offering seeds for the Sunberry this year on my website. So look forward to that sometime in, I guess, when I get time. It'll probably be somewhere around October, and I'll offer these seeds for this. Now, this plant comes up wild around here at this point, and there's really, you know, I mean, I can't really do too much with it, though. You probably could make a wine out of it. You probably could make a good juice out of it if you get enough of them, which is not hard to do at all. Even a small plant like this will produce, you know, hundreds and hundreds of berries like this, and they're just beautiful black berries. And they're quite good. They're not overwhelmingly sweet, but they're very soft on the inside, so they break up really nice. And if you get enough of them and you squeeze them, you're going to get a nice juice out of it. So, in my opinion, I think they would just go best in smoothies. That's what I do with these. I'll usually pick a few handfuls of them, and I'll just put them in my smoothies. But, as you can see, this is only one plant here. Well, guess what? They are literally growing everywhere in my greenhouse, my garden, even all around my yard. Here's another plant. Tons of berries on them. There's plants over there popping up. I mean, I got plants of those things growing everywhere. Even back there, if you look back here somewhere, you know, there's berries hanging all over the place. I mean, there's literally tons of them. So, I don't normally save them because they're a little bit pain in the neck to get the seeds from them. But I'll get the seeds from them this year, and I will offer those on my website. But this is what the plant looks like. All right. This is what the bract looks like when they come out and they're green. And this is what the flower looks like. They're very small, and they come out randomly in all kinds of different random ways. Like sometimes the bract will put out 2 flowers that'll turn, you know, with flowers on them. Then others will put out, all the flowers will come out. So it's really random, but it's quite a beautiful plant, and it does produce an edible berry. Just make sure when you eat those that they're fully ripe. Don't pick them, or don't eat them when they're like this. You want to make sure you eat them when they're black on the plant like this. Okay, and you see how the stem died on it? I would recommend waiting for it to get to that stage. Wait till the stem turns dead, and you could just pick these berries off like that. Very delicious. That's when they're their best flavor too. You pick them too early, you're not going to like them. You can see how I squeeze it, and like seeds come out. And that's really it. So I'll offer those on my website. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up that I'm going to be putting them on my website, and you can pick them up there. All right? Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.